Welcome students. I am Dr. Kim Rodriguez, Assistant Professor in Botany at Kamal College of Arts, Science and Commerce for Women, Nouvelle Goa. Today I will be teaching on the role of meristems in tissue culture for third year BSc Botany Semester 5 students. Paper code BOD 101, paper title Plant Tissue Culture. Title of the unit Unit 3 Cellular Totipotency and Differentiation. Module name Role of Meristems in Tissue Culture. Module number 17. The module outline is meristems, characteristics of meristematic tissue, classification of meristems, role of meristems in tissue culture. The learning outcomes of the module are describes meristems, outlines characteristics of meristematic tissue, classifies meristems based on origin, position, and function, explains the role of meristems in tissue culture. Meristem is derived from the Greek word merizin, meaning to divide. Meristems are a group of actively dividing immature cells that form the meristematic tissue. Meristematic tissues are usually found at the growing apices of plants, that is, shoot and root tips. Cells of meristem give rise to tissues and organs, and are thus responsible for growth and development of the plant. The adult body of vascular plants is the result of meristematic activity. Meristematic cells are totipotent. Totipotency is the genetic potential of a plant cell to produce an entire plant. Totipotency of a cell is manifested through the process of differentiation. Meristematic cells or meristem divides to form initiating cells and derivatives of initiating cells. The derivatives form permanent tissue. This is the differentiation process. So during the differentiation process, the derivatives or derivatives of initiating cells gradually change chemically, physiologically, and morphologically, attaining specialized characteristics, that is, forming permanent tissues. The differentiation process comprises of two events, dedifferentiation and redifferentiation. Sometimes differentiated cells lose their characteristics. This is dedifferentiation. And they develop new characteristics. This is redifferentiation. In plant tissue culture, under the influence of growth regulators, the explant undergoes dedifferentiation to form callus, and the callus undergoes redifferentiation to form an entire plant. The explant, which is the part or the tissue of the plant which is used to initiate the culture, loses its original form and structure to form callus, which is an undifferentiated mass of cells. The totipotent cells of the callus form meristematic nodules or meristemoids by repeated cell divisions, which may subsequently form organ primodia, capable of giving rise to shoot or root, and even embryoids. In this image, we can see the meristematic tissue, which is composed of immature cells, that is, not fully differentiated cells, which are in a state of division and growth. There are no intercellular spaces. The cells may be round, oval, or polygonal in shape. They are living and thin-walled. Each cell has a dense cytoplasm and a single large prominent nucleus. Vacuoles are absent. Meristems can be classified based on origin, position, and function. So based on origin, meristems can be classified into promeristem, primary meristem, and secondary meristem. Promeristem. Promeristem is a region of formation of new tissues and organs. These originate from embryonic cells. It is a temporary phase, which ends when the differentiation process begins. Primary meristem. Primary meristem is a direct descendant of embryonic cells. These are continuously involved in cell division and growth. The primary plant body is a result of the activity of these meristems. Example, apical meristem. Secondary meristem. Secondary meristem arises from permanent tissues. Example, cork cambium and interfascicular cambium. Based on position, meristems can be classified into apical meristem, intercalary meristem, and lateral meristem. Apical meristem. Apical meristem lies at the tips of the root, stem, and leaves. They act as growing points, wherein they increase the length of these organs. Intercalary meristem. Intercalary meristem is situated in between permanent tissues. They form actively growing regions found behind the apical meristem. Example, they are found in the internodes and leaf sheaths of grasses. Lateral meristem. Lateral meristem lies parallel to the sides of the organs. It increases the diameter of the organ by adding to the existing or building new tissues. Example, vascular cambium and cork cambium. In these images, we can see the apical meristem, that is, the shoot apical meristem and the root apical meristem. Apical meristems lie at the growing tips of the plant organs. They act as growing points wherein they increase the length of these organs, thereby forming the primary structure of the plant body. Based on function, meristems can be classified into protoderm, procambium, and ground meristem. Protoderm forms the epidermis, which is the outermost protective layer in the plant organs. Procambium. Procambium forms the primary vascular tissues, that is primary xylem and primary phloem, which are involved in conduction of water and food in plants. Ground meristem. Ground meristem forms the fundamental or ground tissues, example, cortex and pith. Meristems, together with the totipotent nature of plant cells and the influence of plant growth regulators added in the culture medium, are collectively responsible for the success of tissue culture. Additionally, some groups of meristematic cells of callus undergo repeated localized divisions to form meristemoids. Meristemoids differentiate either into shoot or root primordia or embryoids under the influence of growth regulators. So to summarize, meristems in association with endogenous growth regulators are responsible for plant growth in vivo. Meristems, totipotent nature of plant cells, exogenous plant growth regulators, and culture conditions are collectively responsible for the success of tissue culture. Cells of callus also form meristemoids that differentiate either into shoot or root primordia or embryoids under the influence of growth regulators. These are some of the references. Thank you.